Dajiao! Our content for today is about Christianity.
European Jesuits are considered to be the first Christian to preach in China, arriving during the 16th century and taking up counsel with the emperor of the Ming Dynasty.
Christianity is a religion centered around the life and teachings of Jesus Nazareth, whom Christians believe to be Son of God and the Messiah prophesied in the Old Testament. It's one of the world's largest religions with billions of followers globally.
One of the major branches of Christianity is Catholicism. Catholicism is the largest denomination with a hierarchical structure and a rich tradition of liturgy and sacraments.
As a branch of Christianity, Roman Catholicism can be traced to the life and teaching of Jesus Christ in a Roman-occupied Jewish Palestine about Common Era. According to Roman Catholic teaching, each of the sacrament was instituted by the Christ himself.
Roman Catholicism also holds that Jesus established his disciple Saint Peter as the first pope of the Nicene Church. In Roman teaching, the sacrament serves to perpetuate the union of God and humankind.
Roman Catholicism celebrates 7 sacraments: baptism, the Eucharist, confirmation, marriage, and holy orders. Some such as baptism, confirmation, marriage, and ordination are generally to be received only once in a Roman Catholic's life.
In 2020, 78.8% of the Philippine household population identify as a Roman Catholic, which translates to 85.6 million people. This makes the Philippines one of the largest Catholic countries in the world, with a substantial portion of the population adhering to the Catholic faith.
There are over 45,000 Christians denominations worldwide, including large groups like Roman Catholic Church and smaller independent churches. This number continues to grow, with projections predicting around 49,000 by this year, 2025.
Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Christianity.